Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix app age restricted on TikTok. At first, go to your profile and then click on these three lines, then go to settings and privacy. From there, scroll down until it says content preferences, so click on that. And then here you see restricted mode is turned off. But for some of you guys this might be turned on, so what you need to do is just turn it off. And then if it still doesn't solve the problem for you, then go down until you see report a problem, then go to account and profile, and then tap on profile page and then go to other. From there, click on need more help and then say, hey TikTok, I am over 18, but some of the videos that come in my feed say age restricted. Please fix that issue. Thank you. And then press on submit. And once you do, your account should be reviewed within the next 24 hours and the ban should get off. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.